Ambient Living, we provide complete interior turnkey project solutions. From planning to design, execution, and final handover, our expert team handles the entire project. With our own in-house modular manufacturing factory, we create premium, factory finish quality modular kitchens, stylish wardrobes, modern office furniture, and customized interior solutions. Whether your project is residential home, luxury villa, corporate office, commercial space, hotel, or restaurant, we complete every project with professional planning. Strong civil work, perfect finishing, modern designs, and 100% timely delivery. Because for us, it's not just about completing the job, but about turning your dream into reality. Call today for a free consultation and site visit.